Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to start a new chapter, the cell cycle and the cell division. Now, first of all, we will understand about the cell cycle. Cell cycle is basically a process by which new cells are formed from pre-existing cells. During this process, cell growth, DNA replication, and cell division occur in an orderly and cyclic manner, constituting the cell cycle, as you can see in the sketch. The two major phases in the cell cycle are, number one, the interphase, which actually constitutes the prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. This whole all the four stages constitute the M phase or mitosis phase. Now the rest of this cell cycle is known as interphase. This interphase, as you can see in this diagram, consists of G1 phase, S phase, and G2 phase. Now first of all, we will understand about interphase. Interphase is a most active stage in cell cycle, and during this stage the cell actually prepares for the cell division. This interphase actually consists of, as depicted in this sketch, that is G1 phase, or also known as GAP1 phase. Then the next phase is the S phase or synthesis phase. Now the third phase is the G2 phase or GAP2 phase. During G1 phase, this G1 phase actually corresponds to the interval between M phase and initiation of replication of DNA. Also, during this phase, cell grows in size. Then comes the S phase or synthesis phase. It is the period during which DNA replication takes place, and the amount of nucleic acids actually doubles during this phase. After this S phase, we see there is the G2 phase or GAP2 phase. During this phase, more RNAs and proteins are synthesized for the preparation of mitosis and also for the growth of the cells. After this interphase, we see the M phase or mitosis phase here. This is the M phase, which consists of prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Now during this phase, the actual cell division or mitosis occurs, and it basically involves two stages. Number one is the karyokinesis, and number second is the cytokinesis. Now karyokinesis is the process of the division of nucleus and corresponds to the separation of two daughter nuclei. As you can see in this sketch, the chromatids of these daughter nuclei separate from each other, and after this is followed by the cytokinesis. Cytokinesis, it is the division of cytoplasm and the separation of two daughter nuclei into two daughter cells. As you can see in the sketch, first of all, the two daughter nuclei are formed. Then starts the division of cytoplasm, which is also known as cytokinesis, which ultimately results into the formation of two daughter cells. Now, in our next topic, we will study in detail about the various stages of mitosis which occur during the mitotic phase or this M phase. Until then, goodbye.